guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Ochi and I make videos on food, travel, and lifestyle. Today, sobrang saya ko, diba? Because I'll be sharing something food related. I'm pretty sure that you guys can already see from the title what I'll be sharing with you today. So today, finally, oh my god, feeling ko sobrang tapos na nung hype. I mean, for someone who really loves food, medyo late ako sa fan na to. But today, I finally get to review, tada! Pang thumbnail. Okay, so for today, I finally get to review this chocolate dream cake from Sucre Lab. So if you guys don't know about this yet, first ko siya nakita kay masarap ba? I'm not a fan of sweets, kaya I don't really get into the trend or the craze kasi nga, di naman ako mahilig sa matamis. But I've been seeing it a lot on my newsfeed, and I also have friends who have been saying or requesting na parang, oy, gawa ka naman ito sa channel, blah, blah, blah. So since a lot of you guys have been requesting, nagawan ko siya ng video. Here it is. I have finally here on my hands the OG chocolate dream cake. Kasi as far as I know, sobrang dami ng dream cakes na nagsulputan. Chocolate dream cakes na nagsulputan. My sister, ang natikman niya before was the OMG chocolates by Jen or something like that. So yun. But ito, first time ko palang makakatikim ng chocolate dream cake. So, ito, hindi namin siya binili dun sa store kasi ang mahal na ng gas, diba? So, parang pupunta ka dun, magagas ka pa and everything, pipila ka pa. There is this person who usually comments on mga chocolate dream cake posts, tapos parang sa kanya ka na lang kukuha. What we did was, we texted this person, tapos, diba ang price nito ay $4.75. Ang binayad namin ay $4.75 plus $1.50. $1.50 yung delivery fee. So, kumbaga parang yung $1.50, yun na yung bayad mo sa kanya na bibilhin niya, tapos siya na rin maghahatid sa'yo. So, the guy is from Lala Move. In-interview ko kasi siya kanina nung dineliver niya to. So, what he does is, kukunin niya na, siya na yung bibili dun sa store, and then, i-deliver na lang niya sa inyo. So, you know, less hassle pa, and you get to have good use of your time. I mean, ayoko kasi yung mga ganun, like, pipila ka pa. I mean, if you actually have the means naman to pay for it, siya parang burgis pakinggan.
If you actually have to miss me for it.
Pero kasi, ang daming ganap lately, so parang wala talaga akong time. So very thankful that we have services like that. Like si Kuya, pwede mo na siyang bayaran, and siya na lang bibili for you. Kasi diba, mahal talaga din ng gas, so parang okay na rin siya. Shit, I hope I didn't sound too
like entitled or privileged.
With that. Parang medyo off, diba? Pero parang, that's not what I meant. I mean lang na parang, ang dami kasing pwedeng paggamitan ng time mo. So if may pwede ka namang parang bayaran so that they can do that for you, parang it's not so bad. Okay, so, buksan na natin siya kasi medyo nagugutom na ako. Okay, so, once you get the product, parang meron siyang cling wrap. Ayun. Tapos medyo mabigat siya. I am actually not surprised na ganito lang siya kaliit because I've been parang watching reviews about this cake. Tapos, ayun nga, a lot of people were sort of surprised na for 475 pesos, medyo maliit siya and whatnot. Pero in-expect ko na siya kasi nga, nanonood nga ako ng mga videos, diba? Ang pangalan ng Instagram page ng talagang seller is LSL Chocolates PH. So, I think it's Sucre Lab Chocolates Philippines. Ayun. So, pwede ka naman mag-walk-in, I think, from 9 a.m. onwards. But, sometimes I don't think there is a guarantee na may makuha ka kasi nga, maraming bumibili. So, they have parang two products. The first one is itong chocolate dream cake. And then the second one is yung parang truffles. Ayun, truffle collection. So, yung truffle collection nila, I also wanted to try that. Pero, try ko muna to. Kasi nga, diba? Wala lang. Baka sayang yung pera. Hindi naman siya masarap. So, yung truffle collection nila, meron siyang 4 flavors. They have classic dark mocha, matcha, and caramel. So, assorted or you can choose your flavor. $6.75 yan. Tapos, ito talaga, $4.75 siya. Size is 1 quart. 1 quart pala. So, yeah, apparently yun yung size. Okay, so let's open na. Ay, ayun yung bukas. Ooh! Ayan. So, hindi na siya makikita. Pero, ganito yung itsura niya sa parang powder. Ayoko siyang i-build kasi powdery siya. But anyway, hindi ko alam kung saan ako unang pupuka. Kasi baka masira. Medyo na-OC ako sa mga ganun. Okay, dito. Oh, parang medyo matigas yung top. Oh. And then you break it off. And then you have some sort of ganache ba to sa taas. Parang may... So you have the powder, tapos parang may chocolate bar ba to. Tapos you have ganache, tapos parang chiffon sa baba. Okay, so this is gonna be my first bite. Sobrang chewy niyang thing. Harap siya. Okay, so I'm a bit surprised. I was sort of expecting more kasi based on the videos that I've watched, ang sabi, hindi daw siya masyadong matamis, di ba? Pero man, it's so sweet. I mean, matamis siya. I'm not sure if this is only for a person na hindi mahilig sa matamis. Pero with all that layers of chocolate, matamis siya, man. I'm not sure what you guys are talking about. No, it's not that sweet, but it is Fucking sweet. Feeling ko like for someone like me, siguro mga tatlong kagat lang or apat. Sige, try pa natin ng isa. Isa pa, try natin. Matamis talaga siya. Sinasabi niyo hindi siya masyadong matamis. Sobrang tamis siya. Pero ewan ko, gusto ko pa naman siyang kainin. Ay pa nga. Try natin. Nagagalan ako not because it's super sarap, but only because sobrang tamis niya. Ang tamis. Ayun na. Okay na ako sa tatlong subo. I don't think gusto ko pa. But I would understand why this would be a trend for a lot of people kasi you get so many textures. Like with the layers, hindi ko alam kung anong tawag dun sa, diba, you have the powder, tapos you have like a layer of chocolate, parang as in solid chocolate, tapos you have ganache, tapos you have chiffon. So you get all of those different layers and different textures. Tapos isang subo lang silang lahat. It's really amazing, like the taste that you get. But for someone nga who doesn't or who isn't really into sweets, sakto lang siya. Like, it's not the best thing that I've tasted. And medyo, I think for people na hindi masyadong mahilig sa matamis, it takes a lot for us parang to really recommend something paulit-ulit kasi nga madali akong masawa pag sa matamis. I think the people who would really enjoy this would be the people who have a sweet tooth kasi baka sa kanila sakto lang siya. Sa akin kasi sobrang natatamisan na ako. Pero feeling ko yun nga, yung mahihilig sa matamis, magugustuhan nyo siya. Pero ako kasi hindi ako masyadong mahilig sa matamis. So, this is not something I'd eat again or pipilahan ko pa or babayaran ko pa ng extra ulit. Gusto ko lang siyang i-try. And like, I think once is enough. Pero I think my youngest sister, sa Polly, I think you guys have seen her in my previous videos siya. Sobrang addict sa matamis yun. And she would really love this. So yun. That's my overall review. Wala naman ata masyadong review kasi isang product lang siya, diba? And for $4.75, I think sulit naman siya. Yes, it's small, but it's not like the materials that were used were substandard. I think premium quality naman yung chocolates na ginamit. So, it's a really, really good product for $475. Maganda siya pang regalo. Actually, nakita ko ito, pinanregalo dun sa, hindi yung pinanregalo, pero parang ito yung birthday cake ng isa sa mga coworkers ko. Si Buling. Hi, Buling, if you're watching. Sa kanya ko siya unang nakita, like, she was like unboxing the, you know, this tin can. I was like, oh, mukha siya masarap, blah, blah. But now that I've had a taste of it, ayun nga, if hindi ka masyadong mahilig sa matamis, sakto lang siya. But if mahilig ka sa matamis, I think you would really, really enjoy this. So, that's it. Anyway, balak namin siya gawing business. Kasi nga, diba, ang dami may gusto. Pero, if gusto nyo pabili, kasi if we're gonna go there and buy like one lang, sayang naman, diba? We're planning kasi to buy for family. So, if gusto nyo magpasabay ng bili, let me know. Pero, syempre, hindi ko siya ibibenta ng as-is lang, no? Syempre, papatungan ko siya ng konti kasi ang mahal na ng gas. Kaya, I think I've said this several times. I also say this all the time on Twitter. Ang mahal-mahal na ng gas. So, nalubat na yung camera, so I'm filming from my phone. tuloy ko lang din yung sinasabi ko kanina. If you guys would want na sumabay sa purchase, let me know. I can leave my number below or parang basta may message kita. If you leave a message below, may message kita ng number ko and I'll let you know what the arrangements are going to be. But again, hindi ko siya ibebenta ng $4.75. Ibebenta ko siya ng may patong ng konti. Hindi naman sobra, diba? Pero may patong ng konti kasi nga, ang hirap ng buhay ngayon at mahal na yung gas. Kailangan tayo lahat kumita. Okay, so that's it for this video. Make sure that you hit on that like button and don't forget to subscribe. And also pala, if may ibang pagkain pa kayo, like crazy trends and fads when it comes to food that you want me to try, as long as hindi ako naka-diet, tatry ko yan. So, let me know sa baba or in the comment section below if you want me to try anything else. Okay, so again, thank you for watching this vlog and see you on my next vlog. Bye!